Okay guys, so this was another one of my purchases from Joom. It is the pushchair organiser, and this is absolutely brilliant, you guys. I really suggest you get one. I got mine pretty cheap. I have noticed that the prices have gone up now. It's got 4 sections, 2 cup sections here and here, a really deep zip section here that you can just put bits in, and then it's got another one here. It straps onto the pushchair with this Velcro, and I've had it on this pushchair, and you are really going to have to excuse the mess of this room because I'm still sorting it out, but I had it on this pushchair as well. The handles on this do come down, so it does fit multiple pushchairs. I use it every single day. I think it is absolutely brilliant. It's so sturdy. It's got loads of rubbish and my son's lollipop in there at the minute. It's just brilliant. These hold any drink absolutely perfectly fine. This bit here, as I said, I don't know if you can see how deep it is, but you can just put so much in there. I think it's an absolutely brilliant pushchair organiser. I've had no problems with it. I am tempted to order another one if the prices aren't too high. I have seen them on there now for like £12 and stuff, and I really did not pay that much for it. So yeah, I got it in the dark blue, as you can see. I really like this product. I definitely give it a 10 out of 10 for this product. This is the Joom pushchair organiser. Fits any pushchair. You can adjust these bits here on each side. They just go through a little hoop just there, and then you tie it around the frame. It doesn't move down even when you've got the drinks in it. It still stays in the position that you have put it in, which is brilliant, because then your drinks aren't getting tipped and you know, going everywhere and potentially going over baby. So yeah, that is the pushchair organiser.